In this video, I will show you that how you can upload videos on the YouTube. For this purpose, you should have a YouTube app installed on your iPhone. So I've already installed and signed in with my account. After that, you have to click on that video icon, and then it will, if you allowed all the permission, it will open your gallery. Then you have to select your video. So there are a couple of videos. You can also record on that moment, or if you want to go live, then click on this. I will choose this video, and here you can cut and here are okay, and here are some effects that you can apply. So it is something related to colors that you can do, and when you can also trim your video from, if you want to delete something from the starting or the ending of the video. And when you're done, click on the next. Then here you have to type the title. You know that what is the title. Like for example, this video title is how to upload videos on the YouTube from iPhone. And description, here you can provide important links or other things that you want to do. And now talk about privacy. If you want that no one watch this video, you can click on the private. A lot of times I do the private, so later on I edit the thumbnail and other things, and then I make video public. But you can also select the public, or if you want to show video only to a specific people, then click on the unlisted and then send your video URL to them. For this moment I will click on the private, and you already know what is the public. You can also select the location. If this is something like local video, you are creating a vlog, then I think this can be helpful for you. And after that, click on the upload button. Then it will take some time, and that depends upon your video length and your internet connection. So actually, using this app, you cannot do a lot of things. If you are a complete YouTuber or you're planning, then there is another app, YouTube Studio. Again, this app is also available in the App Store. So using this app, you can do a lot of things. For example, you can this is the video that I have uploaded previously. If I click on the edit icon, there are a lot of things that you can do. For example, you can edit the thumbnail, you can change the title, video description, and video privacy. Here you can also add this video to a specific playlist, or add tags. Tag is something that is related to YouTube SEO. And here you can type the video category, license, and a lot of all the things that you can do by the computer. But if you want to do that things on the mobile, then you have to use that YouTube Studio app. And by the way guys, if your video is privacy is private, then you will not see that video's URL here. So I mean, when this upload thing has been complete, and if the for this video privacy has been private, so you will not see this video like these videos. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, query, let me know by the comment section. I will happy to help you. And those who are new here, consider subscribing.